Hey everyone, in this video let's take a look at the way that you fix the Uber driver login error. So if you're trying to log into your Uber driver account and if you're having issues, the first thing that you'll need to make sure is that you are entering in your correct credentials. Whether you're using your phone number or your email address, make sure that you enter in the correct information as well as the password that you're entering. Now if this is not the issue with you, the other thing that you'll need to try out is try to reset your password. So if you think that your password is not correct, or if you think that your password that you're entering is not correct, make sure that you change it by resetting the password of your Uber driver account. Now if none of these solutions are working out for you, the other thing that you can also try out is try to update the application of Uber driver. So just head over to the Play Store or the App Store, search for the application, and if you do see new updates available, make sure you update the application. Now apart from this, what you can also try out is uninstall the platform of Uber driver from your device and then again re-download it. This ensures that any sort of bugs which may be causing the issue should be now fixed. If you're still facing issue even after doing all of these steps, the last thing that you can do is you can directly contact the support team of Uber. So you can search for Uber driver support, and using this platform you'll be able to contact and hopefully resolve your issues. So I do hope this guide video was helpful to you. If it was, be sure to subscribe, share, and also give this video a thumbs up.